In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through in Figma. Strike-through text is a really useful feature in design, especially when you're collaborating with a team or simply trying to indicate a change, a deletion, or a completed item in your designs. It's a subtle but powerful way to communicate revisions without fully removing content, making it clear what has been altered or marked for removal. Whether you're iterating on copy, marking off tasks in a UI, or signaling outdated information, knowing how to apply a strike-through is a fundamental skill in Figma. The process itself is quite straightforward. First things first, you'll need to have some text on your Figma canvas. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or even just a single word. Once you have your text layer, make sure it's selected. You can do this by clicking directly on the text box on your canvas, or by selecting its layer in the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This ensures that any formatting changes you make will apply specifically to that text element. With your text layer selected, direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar in Figma. This is where all your property panels and settings live. You'll want to scroll down a bit or look specifically for the Text section. It's usually identifiable by the T icon and will display properties like font family, font size, line height, and letter spacing. This is your primary control center for all things related to typography. Within this text panel, you'll find various subsections that control different aspects of your typography. Our goal is to locate the specific area that deals with text decorations. Now that you're in the Text Properties panel, look for a section labeled Decoration. This section is dedicated to adding various stylistic embellishments to your text, such as underlines, overlines, and of course, strike-throughs. You might need to scroll down slightly within the Text panel to find it, depending on your Figma workspace setup and how many other text properties are expanded. Underneath this Decoration heading, you'll typically see a few options presented as icons or checkboxes. One of these options will be clearly labeled Strike-through. Simply click on this option. As soon as you click it, you'll instantly see a horizontal line appear directly through the center of your selected text on the canvas. It's a live preview, so you'll know right away if it's applied correctly. If you ever need to remove the strike-through, the process is just as simple. Navigate back to the same decoration section within the text panel and click the strike-through option again to toggle it off. It acts as a switch. A helpful tip: if you only want to strike through a specific word or phrase within a larger block of text, you can achieve this by double-clicking into the text box to enter editing mode, highlighting just the desired words,